Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the M.2 SSD in your HP 15DA031NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the upgrade. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power on during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the existing M.2 SSD. Now locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically secured with a single screw. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove this screw and gently slide the existing SSD out of its slot. If you are unsure about the condition of your current SSD, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you determine if a replacement is necessary. Next, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Slide it in at a slight angle until it is firmly seated. Once in place, secure it with the screw you previously removed. It's important to ensure that the SSD is properly installed to avoid any issues when powering on the laptop. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Now it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the panel. Once the back panel is secured, reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier. Connect your laptop to the power source and power it on. You should see the BIOS screen recognizing your new SSD. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop to a repair shop. After confirming that the SSD is recognized, you may need to format it and install your operating system or transfer your data. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. In summary, replacing the M.2 SSD in your HP 15DA031NS is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself. If you prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services, including no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your laptop serviced right from home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.